Welcome to our mushroom unit. So our guide is Siddharth Das sir and our technical in charge is Mr. Damodar sir. So basically we are growing here four types of mushroom. One is button mushroom, another is oyster mushroom, one is milky mushroom and padistro mushroom. So we are growing basically on a seasonal basis. So currently as it is a winter season, so we are growing oyster mushroom and button mushroom are growing throughout the year. So let's go and see what we are doing in the oyster mushroom sambar. So these are the bags of our oyster mushroom, and you can see these. Like for maintaining this, we have to water the bags 2 times a day, and for preparing a bag it costs around 75 rupees. So here you can see the polythene bags. So for bagging purpose, we are using these polythene and paddy straws. So we are required five to six paddy straw beds. Preparing these beds, the input is 65 to 70 rupees. So let's see that we need polythene bags and cover and paddy straw and our formalin and CSU3 for soaking purpose. So and spawn. So spawn cost around 20 rupees, which you are getting from our spawn unit, and paddy straw cost around 15 rupees, and polythene bags and rubber band cost around 10 rupees, and miscellaneous charges like labor charges and some like formalin or nemolar spraying. For that it costs around 20 rupees. So totally it costs around 65 to 70 rupees for preparing a bag, and you can get production of 1 to 1.5 kg per bag, and it cost around 150 rupees per kg. Profit we can get around 160 rupees, as we will take 70 rupees from the input, and the net return will be 160 rupees. So next coming to our growth chamber, button mushroom growth chamber. So before going to our chamber, we need to sterilize our hands with 70% of ethanol. So there should be no any contamination. So let's go to our growth chamber. And here you can see the temperature which I am maintaining here of 14 to 16 degrees Celsius for the fruiting pods. So this is our composting area where you prepare compost for our button mushroom, and the method which we are using here is ZEP method, which is zero energy polytunnel method, where there is no required of any electrical machines or something.